Hello everyone, welcome to Vaishya's YouTube channel and to Prelims Level Up MCQ series, that is Plums. On daily basis, we'll be dealing about 5 MCQs from different chapters or different subjects of UPSC Prelims. So through this series, you'll be able to test yourself and also you'll also get understanding of how to solve MCQs. Today is episode 48 on Jan 21st, 2023. We'll be dealing about CSAT, Math, Aptitude and Reasoning. So on daily basis, as part of Plums at 9 p.m., you and we together will solve 5 MCQs from different subjects. On Tuesday, Geography and Environment will be dealt. Wednesday, Polity, Governance and Schemes. Thursday, Economic, Budget and Survey. Saturday is about CSAT, Math, Aptitude and Reasoning, which I'll be dealing. So sir is also going to take some classes on Sunday about Current Affairs, Maps IR. Monday is about History, Art and Culture. Friday is about Science and Technology. If you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing the exam. So if you want to get access with the free content and if you want the UPSC civil service coaching classes for free, there are only two steps. First step is to subscribe to this Vaishya's YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon, and to save this number 7200681675 and WhatsApp UPSC free to this number, so that you will get foundational videos and you'll also get the methods of preparing for the UPSC and also the updates regarding this channel. And there are many other free content which are already provided in the Vaishya's YouTube channel. There are much content which is only provided to the subscribers. So kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell icon so that you will get updated with the content whenever we upload. So now let's start today's video. So this is episode 48. So let's solve the first MCQ. A can do a work in 15 days and B can do the work in 20 days. If they work together together for 4 days, then the fraction of work that is left out. So now let's write the data initially. A can do the work within 15 days. B can do the work in 20 days. It means that, for example, if you are doing work for 2 days, it means that in 1 day you are doing half. So for example, total work is 1. So if you are doing this total work in 2 days, it means that you are doing on first day half work and second day half work. In the same way, we are taking the A's work for 1 day as 1 by 15 because he is doing the work for 15 days. And B's 1 day work is 1 by 20. Okay. So A and B, if they work together, they can do work in 1 day as 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 because 1 by 15 is A's work in 1 day. 1 by 20 is B's work in 1 day. So if you add this both, you will get 7 by 60. So both can work if both can work together for 1 day, they'll do 7 by 60 work. Okay. So if they're working for 4 days, if they're doing 7 by 60 in 1 day, it means that for 4 days, if they're working together into 4. So total number of work which they're doing for 4 days is 7 by 60 into 4. So 4 15s are 60. So 7 by 15 is the both work for 4 days. Okay, it means that if the total work is 1, if they are doing 7 by 15th fraction, it means that the remaining work is 1 minus 7 by 15, that is 8 by 15. So 8 by 15 is the work which is remaining. So they are asking the work which is left only. So we have got 8 by 15. So option D is correct answer for question number 1. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. An error 2% in excess is made while measuring the side of the square. The percentage of error in the calculated area of the square is. So for example, let's take the side of a square as 100. Okay, if the side of the square is 100, but the 2% excess is taken mistakenly. So by mistakenly, they have taken 2% in excess. So now the new side of the square will be 102 because 2% is more. So 2% of 100 is 2. So so now the side of the square is 102. So initially, in the initial case A1, let's take the initial case as area 1. So the area of the square is 100 into 100. So side into side is nothing but area of the square. So in the case of A2, 102 into 102. Okay, this will be the side of the square. So they are asking the percentage error. So if we want to find the percentage error, it means that we have to find the difference between A2 minus A1. Okay, we have to find first the difference between these two. So 102 square minus 100 square. This is nothing but A square minus B square. So the same thing is written here. So 102 square minus 100 square. A square minus B square is nothing but A minus B into A plus B. So a minus b. So a is nothing but 102, b is nothing but 100. 100 minus 102 minus 100 is 2. 102 plus 100 is 202. 202 into 2 is nothing but 404 square. So the percentage error can be calculated as a2 minus a1 by initial area into 100. So a2 minus a1 value is 404 by initial area is nothing but 100 into 100. So into 100 we have to calculate the percentage wise. So we are multiplying it with 100. Okay, if you like solve this equation, 100 and 100 gets cancelled. 404 by 100 is nothing but it will be in the decimal form. 4.04% is the percentage error. So option number D is the correct answer for MCQ number 2. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. They are simply asking 1397 into 1397. So 1397 can be written as 1400 minus 3. So in order to solve this question, we have to easily do this. 1400 minus 3 is nothing but 1397. So that given 1397 for 2 times we are multiplying. So I have kept the square. So 1400 a minus b whole square. The formula of a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. Right, we have to substitute the values. A square is nothing but 1400 square minus 2 into 1400 into 3 plus b square. B is nothing but 3 square. So that is 9. So if you calculate this, you will get it as 1400 square is nothing but 14 square is 196 and 100 square is 10,000. So it is simply written as 196 and 4 zeros plus 3 square is 9 minus 2 into 1400 into 3. So 14 2s are 28, 28 3 is 84. So we can simply write as 8400. Okay, if you solve this equation, so 196 4 zeros plus 9 is nothing but 196 minus 8400. If you calculate this, you will get it as 1951609. So this is the easier method to solve this kind of equation instead of multiplying. It means that the option number 1 is correct for the question number 3. So option A is correct. Okay. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. Seats for mathematics, physics and biology in a school are in the ratio of 5:7:8. There is a proposal to increase these seats by 40%, 50% and 70%. Sorry, 75%. What is the ratio of their increased seats? Let us solve this question. So for example, the given data is the seats are initially 5:7:8. So now the seats are getting increased by 40%, 50% and 75%. So let's take the seats of mathematics are 5m. Seats of biology, physics are 7p. 7m. 1 second. 7m. And seats of biology are 8m. Okay. So 5m are increasing by 40%. 5m into 1 plus 50 by 100. Okay. We have to find the ratio. So 7m into 1 plus 50, this is 40, this is 50, 50 by 100. And biology are increasing by 75%. Biology are initially 8m, 1 plus 75 by 100. So obviously again this m's get cancelled. Okay, and this 100, so we can write it as 5 into 100 plus 40 is 140 by 100. Is to 7 into 150 by 100. Okay, is to 8 into 175 by 100. Okay, now you can cancel this 100. 100 in the denominator gets cancelled because they are in the ratio format. So as hundreds gets cancelled, this will be the ratio. So we have to find the ratio now by cancellation. So if you take in 5 table, it will get cancelled as 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 15, 0, 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. So 5 into 28 is nothing but 140. Okay, 7 into 30 is nothing but 210 and 35 into 8 is nothing but 280. If you calculate furthermore, So 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. It means that the ratio will be 2:3:4. So option A for the question number 4 is correct. Option A is correct. Okay. You can cross check the solution over here. And final MCQ for the day. 3 root 5 plus root 125 is equal to 17.88. Then what will be the value of root 80 plus 6 root 5? So you can do this sum like this. So initially they have given us 3 root 5 plus 125 can be written as, and root 125 can be written as 5 root 5 is nothing but 17.88. So 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5 is nothing but 8 root 5. It is 17.88. So root 5 value we got as 17.88 by 8. So this is root 5 value. Okay. And they are asking root 80 plus 6 root 5. Root 80 is nothing but it's 4 root 5. So 16 5s is 80. So if 16 comes out of the root, it means 4 root 5 plus 6 root 5. We have to find this value. 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10. 10 root 5. So root 5 value is given as 10 into, we have got it as 17.88 by 8. We have to solve this equation. So if we are solving this equation, you will get it as 22.35. Okay. The final value you will get it as 22.35. So you can check the solution over here if you want. So what I have told you is 3 root 5 plus root 125. It is nothing but it is root 25 into 5. It's nothing but 3 root 5 plus 5 root 5. We have got root 5 value as 17.88 by 8. So 17.88 by 8 is nothing but 2.235 if you calculate. Root 80 is nothing but 4 root 5, 6 root 5. So 6 root 5 plus 4 root 5 is 10 root 5. So 10 into root 5 values is, root 5 value is 17.88 by 8. It is nothing but 2.235. If you calculate this, this 10 will shift the decimal to this point. So 22.35. So 22.35 is in the option number D. So option number D is the correct answer for question number 5. So I hope so you have enjoyed this series. So this is it for today's video. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned to this channel. Let's meet in the other episode. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.